singing. But I kinda like the music. All the ladies are singing, and the song know how to use it. They don't use it, you never gonna lose it. Use it. You have never been to England, but I kinda like the feels. I headed for Las Vegas. I'm moving up the fields. And I'm feeling really sorry, so good. Well, I know what to do. Well, I've been told the moon. You wanna tell me I'm all wrong. Yeah, I don't remember. In Oklahoma, miles on the moon. What does it matter? All I wanna do is to get over you. So now I'm on the move, sail on the moon. Now I'm in my cradle, you on my radar, like a torpedo. I see you later. I wanna hate you, and I wanna date you. That's why I'm on the move, to settle on the moon. Yeah, aliens need love too, and I can feel the spaceship move. We had our reasons. We loved each other to pieces. I was in pieces. Long was the distance. When you came back home to visit, it was so different. So we had to let each other go. Harder than a heart should ever know. If it's meant to be, then down the road. One day I'll be there, running to you, right in the middle of Times Square. One day I'll be there, running to you, right in the middle of Times Square. We can fall in love again. Yeah, we can fall in love again. Sometimes I wonder